Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the tank support and ring on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This task is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your device. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the components we will be working on. Now, locate the screws that secure the tank support. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these fasteners. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the screwdriver to loosen the screws without damaging them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the tank support away from the main body. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose if it's stuck. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. With the tank support removed, you can now access the ring that holds the tank in place. Inspect the ring for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn, it's advisable to replace it to ensure a secure fit. To remove the ring, simply twist it counterclockwise until it comes free. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Now take your new ring and align it with the tank support. Twist it clockwise until it is securely in place. Ensure it is fitted snugly to prevent any leaks or disconnections during use. Once the ring is in position, it's time to reattach the tank support. Align it with the main body and press it back into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. It's important to ensure these screws are tight, as they hold the entire assembly together. If you're unsure about the tightness, a good rule of thumb is to tighten until you feel resistance, but avoid over-tightening, which could strip the screws. After securing the tank support, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pressing down until you hear a click. This indicates that it is locked in place. Now, it's time to clean the internal components of your Dyson V10. Use a soft cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Regular cleaning will enhance the performance of your vacuum. If at any point you feel overwhelmed by this process, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel. Just a simple solution to keep your vacuum in top condition. Finally, plug your Dyson V10 back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision about the next steps. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Dyson V10 is now operating at its best. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.